Upgrade your fishing game with a convenient and durable setup. The Best Fish Cleaning Table offers a stable, easy-to-clean surface, perfect for filleting your catch quickly and efficiently, whether you're at home, on the dock, or outdoors. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. IWDOO Fish Cleaning Table. The IWDOO Fish Cleaning Table is a versatile and heavy-duty option for anyone who enjoys fishing, camping, or hosting backyard cookouts. Built with a 3-inch thick, high-density HDPE tabletop and a rugged steel frame, this table is designed to handle the demands of outdoor use. It offers a large 45-inch by 23-inch surface and a weight capacity of 650 pounds, making it ideal for processing large catches or preparing meals. One of its standout features is the integrated deep sink with a 360-degree rotatable faucet, which offers unmatched convenience for washing fish, vegetables, or tools. The detachable strainer keeps clogs at bay, and an extendable drainage hose makes cleanup simple by channeling wastewater directly into a bucket. 4 built-in knife snots and a 25-inch measuring scale help make your prep work more efficient, while the rugged tabletop resists scratches, stains, and water damage. Designed with portability in mind, the table folds easily for compact storage and transportation. It's lightweight enough to carry on fishing trips and sturdy enough to become a permanent fixture at your dock or patio. Whether you're filleting fish, rinsing garden produce, or organizing tools during a barbecue, the IWDOO Fish Cleaning Table provides a clean, ergonomic, and highly functional workspace. Its thoughtful features and tough materials make it a worthwhile investment for serious anglers and outdoor enthusiasts alike.
Number 2. Avocahom Fish Cleaning Table. The Avocahom Fish Cleaning Table combines durability, smart design, and portability, making it a solid choice for a wide range of outdoor activities. Made with a waterproof HDPE tabletop and powder-coated steel legs, it can handle up to 660 pounds of weight, while remaining easy to clean even in rainy or muddy conditions. A standout feature is the deep sink with a built-in drain plug and a telescoping hose that extends from 15 to 34 inches. It's equipped with a 3-way garden hose connector and a stainless steel faucet that rotates and folds for flexible use. These features are perfect for rinsing off fish, vegetables, or tools. The table includes practical additions such as a scale for accurate fish measurements, knife grooves, and a built-in rack to keep essential tools close at hand. The extendable sprayer adds further convenience, ensuring that you can direct water exactly where you need it for quick and efficient cleanup. At around 22-23 pounds, the table is lightweight and designed for portability. The folding legs allow for compact storage in your trunk or garage, while still offering strong, stable performance when set up. Whether you're camping, fishing, tailgating, or hosting an outdoor cookout, this table serves as a reliable surface for prepping and cleaning. It's also ideal for food vendors or outdoor markets. For anyone who values function, portability, and rugged construction in a fish cleaning station, the Avocahom model hits all the right marks.
Number 3. Outsunny Fish Cleaning Table. The Outsunny Fish Cleaning Table is a robust and practical cleaning station built with the outdoor enthusiast in mind. With its sturdy HDPE surface and powder-coated steel legs, this table offers excellent weather resistance and long-term stability, supporting up to 176 pounds on the tabletop and 33 pounds on the built-in bottom shelf. One of its most appealing features is the strong stainless steel faucet and a 3-way garden hose connector, which, when combined with a spray nozzle, provide excellent water pressure for thorough cleaning. The integrated sink includes a drain plug and an adjustable drain pipe ranging from 32 to 89 centimeters, allowing you to work with various bucket sizes and maintain a clean, clutter-free workspace. The table is also designed with utility in mind. It includes 3 knife grooves to hold your fillet knives securely and a bottom shelf to keep additional gear or coolers within reach. The spacious work surface makes it easier to handle multiple tasks, such as filleting fish, cleaning veggies, or organizing tackle. It's an efficient solution for both recreational and professional users who need a functional mobile workstation. Whether you're set up on the dock, at a campsite, or in the backyard, the Outsunny Fish Cleaning Table brings the convenience of a kitchen outdoors. With a good balance of features, portability, and affordability, it's a solid option for anglers who need a compact yet capable fish cleaning setup that won't disappoint.
Number 4. The Goplus Fish Cleaning Table. The Goplus Fish Cleaning Table is a highly functional and portable workstation that enhances any outdoor activity involving food prep or fish cleaning. Constructed from premium HDPE and anti-rust powder-coated steel, it provides a durable, weather-resistant surface that's easy to maintain. The integrated sink is a standout feature, complete with a 360-degree rotating folding faucet and a flexible sprayer that ensures deep, precise cleaning. It also includes a drainage hose that can be linked to a bucket or mobile toilet, streamlining your cleaning process and avoiding messy water runoff. The tabletop offers generous space for prepping fish, cleaning vegetables, or organizing outdoor meals, and it features built-in knife grooves for added convenience. The smooth finish is easy to wipe down, and the rounded corners improve user safety. The table supports up to 220 pounds thanks to its stable triangular frame design and non-slip foot pads. One of its best qualities is its lightweight and foldable construction, ideal for storing in your trunk or garage. You can carry it to the campsite, dock, or tailgate party without hassle. The locking legs snap into place easily, keeping the table secure during use.
Number 5. MAXXTUFF Fish Cleaning Table. The MAXXTUFF Fish Cleaning Table is engineered for serious anglers and dock owners who demand durability and functionality. Built from corrosion-resistant marine-grade aluminum and finished with a heavy-duty HDPE surface, this table is designed to withstand the harshest waterfront environments. Measuring 46.5 inches by 21 inches, the tabletop is large enough for cleaning sizable fish, while its 43-inch height helps reduce back strain during extended use. A key feature is its offset adjustable mounting system, which allows the table to be installed off the edge of a dock or pier, preserving valuable space and keeping your work area clutter-free. The design includes cross-bracing that ensures a rigid, stable surface without the need for extra hardware. It comes equipped with 2 trays for holding knives, towels, and bags, everything you need for efficient fish processing. The surface is easy to rinse clean with a hose after use, minimizing maintenance. With a 100-pound weight capacity, it's strong enough for handling larger catches or game. MAXXTUFF also includes high-quality stainless fasteners to prevent rust and ensure long-term performance. This table is best suited for permanent or semi-permanent installations and is ideal for serious anglers who regularly clean fish at docksides or marinas. For those looking for a premium, dock-mounted fish cleaning table that combines strength, space-saving design, and corrosion resistance, the MAXXTUFF delivers outstanding reliability and convenience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.